What's up, homies? Can't tell I'm Sierra LaFay. So this is going to be a quick haul video of some new hair products that I'm really excited to try. I got this stuff from Mielle Organics. My sister also ordered some stuff too, so I'll show you kind of what we both got. We wanted to try some new products for our heat trained hair. Make sure you also subscribe because I will be showing a video very soon of me diagnosing why her hair isn't growing, and she also has heat trained hair like me, and then the steps we're going to take to help her with growing out her hair and improving the health of her hair. So yeah, just make sure you subscribe so you can stay updated with those videos. Pero vamos a empezar. So this is the box. They ended up having their 5th year anniversary, I think, and everything was 50% off. And me and my sister went crazy. We were so excited because there were some products that I've been wanting to try, and there was also some products that I tried that I loved and I just wanted to get my hands a hold of. I actually even went to Target a week before to try to buy one of these products, and they were sold out. So I just think that was God looking out for me.
You're the real MVP.
I've never ordered anything from them, but I just want to shout out to this packaging, this pink, what do they call these? Are they called marshmallows? The pink puffs? That's super cute to me. Alright, so first thing we pull out is, I should have got these. My sister ended up getting the Healthy Hair Gummy Adult Vitamins for advanced healthy hair and immune system. So I might try to steal one from her, even though I know she's not gonna let me. I actually met a girl today. We were talking about this. I was like, yeah, I got a box in the mail from Mielle, and I'm really excited. Sorry if I'm pronouncing it Mielle or Mielle throughout this video. I just really don't know how to pronounce it. But she's like, yeah, I used to take their hair vitamins, and I didn't really notice too much with my hair, but I noticed a huge improvement with my skin. So I feel like if this helps with your skin or your hair or both, I would get it to help with my skin. The reason I didn't get any hair vitamins is just because I always have not the best experience with hair vitamins because they break me out pretty bad. This girl got 2 vitamins. At least, you know, you need to just let me try some of these. So there are 60 gummies in here, so you get a total of a 30 days serving. Dang, I should have got these vitamins, bro. I didn't even know they had gummy vitamins. Those gummy vitamins were $5 with the 50% off. And then of course I had to get the Mielle Babassu Mint and Deep Conditioner that I always talk about. I'm actually gonna try a braid out one of these days and just kind of make this a leave-in conditioner. I won't put too much in my hair, but I feel like my braid out is gonna come out super bomb, and it has a really strong mint smell that I'm obsessed with. So this was $7.50. This actually is pretty expensive. It's usually like $13–14, but I should have bought some more. I think I bought 2 of these. Yeah, I bought 2 of these. And then the next thing I got, which I'm super duper excited to try, is the Rosemary Mint Strengthening Hair Mask infused with biotin and encourages hair growth. So this is something that she recently came out with, and I was itching to try it for the longest. This one doesn't have such a heavy mint smell. I don't know why I thought it was gonna smell like mint, because it says rosemary mint. So I guess it has like a rosemary smell. It's really light though. I can't really even smell too much. And this one is meant to penetrate through dry strands and strengthen the hair. I'm just like paraphrasing it. And with that rosemary mint collection, this is the strengthening oil. I'm so excited to try this. I just ran out of my peppermint oil, so this is gonna be, this smells like peppermint oil and some other stuff. Oh man, it seems like it's gonna be some really good stuff. It's super smooth to the touch. This one is supposed to help improve length retention, invigorates, nourishes the hair follicles, conditions dry scalp, and smooth split ends. I'll bet. I'm gonna have so much fun with this. The price of this one, this oil, ended up being $5, and that price for the Rosemary Deep Conditioner hair mask was also $5. And I got 3 of them bad boys. Or at least I must have got one. I think my sister got one. And then another thing I got was the Rosemary Mint Strengthening Edge Gel, because I'm going to try to take a break from that Got2b. I've heard mixed reviews about this. Some people love it, some people don't like it. I'm praying that I like it. This smells like the conditioner to me. It smells really light, like a floral, like a really light floral scent. Will it lay my hair down? I don't really think so, honestly, but of course I'm gonna try it. But hopefully it kind of lays my hair down somewhat, and then I can stop using that Got2b. But if it don't, I'm going back to my Got2b. The hair gel was $3.50. All right, and then the last thing that I got, because everything else in here is just already been shown, Me and my sister got this, and I just got grease all over the bottle. Is the mint strengthening shampoo. I haven't tried their shampoo yet, so this one is supposed to nourish and cleanse dry, weak, brittle hair with a scalp tingling strength. I really love when my scalp tingles when I put products on it. I don't know why. It's so relaxing and satisfying to me. So I'm too stoked to try this. And it gently cleanses the scalp while adding key nutrients. This one smells like the conditioner and the hair gel. It smells like really light. I must say that I prefer this smell because it just has this really powerful, overwhelming peppermint smell. This one smells a lot lighter, which will probably be better if you don't really want too much of a smell to your hair, or if you want to add your own scent like I like to do with my perfumes. Yeah, if you've tried any of these products, I would love to know your experience with them. And I'll be taking out this weave very, very soon, sooner than you think, and I'm going to be testing these products on my hair, letting you guys know if I see a difference with the results of how my straightened hair comes out. So if you want to see that, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss it. Yeah, until the next video. Assalamu alaikum.
I want to thank me for doing all this hard work.